Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like financial freedom is a far-off dream? Here's a hard truth. In today's world, relying solely on your 9 to 5 is like trying to win a race while stuck in neutral. But what if I told you there are proven side hustles right here in the UK that can turn your spare time into serious cash in 2025? And before you roll your eyes at another side hustle list, stick around because number 5 will literally blow your mind. It's a gold mine no one's talking about yet. Set expectations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side hustles can set you on the path to financial freedom without wasting time on gimmicks or scams. So, if you're ready to invest 10 minutes to potentially change your life, let's get started. The journey. Breaking down the top 5 side hustles. Side hustle number 1. Freelancing and AI-powered copywriting. 90 seconds. AI is everywhere. But here's the twist. Companies still need real humans to craft persuasive, emotionally driven content. The good news? You don't need a fancy degree to start. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are swarming with businesses desperate for talent in AI copy editing. Why this matters? With AI tools doing the heavy lifting, you can complete projects faster and earn more per hour. Imagine getting paid £200 for a project that only takes 2 to 3 hours. Think robots are stealing jobs. Well, here's your chance to steal their thunder. Freelancing might sound great, but what if you prefer something with zero startup skills? Let's dive into a hustle that's perfect for absolute beginners. Side hustle number 2. Reselling thrift store finds on Depop or Vinted, 90 seconds. Here's a challenge for you. Visit a local charity shop, spend £10 on trendy items, and flip them online for £50 or more. It's easier than you think, especially with Gen Z driving demand for vintage fashion. Fear trigger. The longer you wait, the more competition you'll face. Thrift flipping is booming in 2025, and the best items go fast. Excitement trigger. Imagine turning a Saturday morning shopping trip into a £500 monthly side income. Cliffhanger for next point. But what if shopping isn't your thing? Don't worry. The next hustle is perfect for those who'd rather work from the comfort of their own home, possibly even in their pajamas. Side hustle number 3. Remote tutoring for skill-based learning, 90 seconds. Thanks to platforms like Tutorful and Preply, you can now teach almost anything, whether it's coding, graphic design, or even gaming. With hourly rates as high as £30 to £50, this side hustle could replace your full-time income if you scale it right. Urgency trigger. The demand for personalized skill-based learning is exploding. Jump in now, or you might miss the wave. Pattern, interrupt. Not a teacher? Don't worry, you don't need a blackboard or a stern look. Just share what you know and cash in. Now, let's switch gears. What if you could make money while literally doing nothing? Sound too good to be true? Think again. Side hustle number 4. Investing in dividend stocks or real estate crowdfunding, 90 seconds. Here's where the wealthy set themselves apart. Passive income. Platforms like Free Trade or Seedrs allow you to invest small amounts in dividend stocks or property crowdfunding projects, earning consistent returns over time. Fear. Trigger. If you're not investing, you're losing. Inflation in 2025 is eating away at savings faster than ever. Excitement. Trigger. Imagine earning monthly payouts from properties you'll never have to manage, or stocks you can set and forget. But let's be honest, investing takes time to see big returns. What if you need cash now? The final hustle is for those who are ready to take action today and start seeing results this week.